If your Ford Raptor suddenly won't start and the gear shift indicator disappears, your car needs immediate attention. But before I explain, if you love cars and engine fixes, like and subscribe. A mechanic got this exact problem. The truck wouldn't start and there was no gear display. So he plugged in the scanner. Multiple error codes popped up, but one stood out: loss of communication with the transmission control module. Now, before jumping into expensive repairs, he did what every mechanic should do first: check the fuses. He pulled out the manual, found the correct fuse and amperage for the transmission control, and checked the fuse box. The fuse itself wasn't blown, but the connection was loose. So he removed the fuse box, took out all the fuses and relays, and inspected the contacts inside. Turns out the terminal wasn't gripping the fuse properly. So he tightened the connection, reinstalled everything, and just like that, the gear shift indicator came back, but it still wouldn't start. He scanned again. This time, it showed a starter performance issue. So he removed the wheel to access the starter, nudged it, and now the engine began cranking, but not fully starting. Next, he checked the fuel line. Fuel was reaching the engine. After toggling the ignition a few times and trying again, the engine finally roared to life. So next time, be safe and take care of your car.